Hi everyone, today we will be discussing about how to change Shopify store header. It is pretty simple. Now before we start, make sure you click the link below to get the best Shopify free trial and start your business with some exclusive bonuses. So the very first thing that you're gonna do is simply head over to your online store section. Make sure to click on online store and then themes. Then we are going to be jumping into the customize section. Click on this customize option. Since we need to change the store header, simply select the header section. You can see currently it is saying vision tech, and I'm going to be changing that. So we have our announcement bar, we can change that as well. We have our header, and in our header we have different type of menus. So to change your specifically header title, you simply need to select it. So let me choose that. And how you are going to be doing that is you simply need to change your store's name and simply head back to your admin panel, head over to your settings. Once you are into your settings, here you should be able to see your store name. Click on this pencil icon and change it to whatsoever you would like, and the header name is going to be automatically be changed. And hope this video was helpful. Finally, make sure to click the link in the description below to take advantage of our exclusive Shopify free trial to start your business right away.